So after they finish the comprehension quiz on the second day, um, then I will be assigning them another book. But if they have read their book and they want to read some more, you can always go to the reading room and they're going to have other books right around their same level. So if they want to continue reading or even listening to books, of course they can do that. You can even look at different topics. They can look at it, all the books to do with adventure or animals and insects, art and music, communities and jobs, cultures around the world, food, friendships. So it breaks it down that way. You can do it by level. So I want to see all the level D books, and they can look at those for themselves. Those are all books that would be on their level. If they only wanted to read some fiction books, then they could look there and read those as well. So then they could go back to reading. In the level, let me go back, sorry. If you also click on Reading Room, they have some fun little poems and songs too. So not only are they have level by topics, by level, by fiction, if you wanted Spanish books too, and poems and song books are all there together. So, but the other thing you can do is level up. So if they want to move from D to E, then they could read 3 books that way. But again, what my main goal for using this is the My Assignment. So I'm able to see what they're reading. Again, if they record themselves, I can listen to them, and then I can see how they do on their comprehension quiz. They could go and take that comprehension quiz again if they wanted to. But this is just a way for me to be able to see where they are with their guided reading, that they're practicing every day. So it shouldn't, take very long on here. But they just are clicking on their name, clicking on My Assignment, reading through the book, and then taking the comprehension quiz on that second day, which I'll always post that on the Google Classroom and have it say, take the comprehension quiz today. So for Monday, for today, they'll just read through the book at least one time, going back over those words that they may need help with, and then they will read it again tomorrow and then take the comprehension quiz after they've read it again. So if you have any questions, just let me know, but hopefully this helped explain Raz Kids a little bit for you guys.